Meaning of infomercial.
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 Infomercial. An infomercial is a television commercial that is designed to resemble a regular program but is intended to promote a product or service. It typically lasts for a longer duration than a traditional commercial, and usually includes testimonials, demonstrations, and detailed information about the product or service being promoted. The primary goal of an infomercial is to persuade viewers to make a purchase. Infomercials are often aired during daytime hours, when viewership is lower, and are generally associated with direct response marketing strategies.